Today like this, I wan show you how to create strong password wey strong like bone. Hackers no go fit crack am, hackers no go fit crack am. You understand? So to do that one now, I go give you small rules, you understand? One or two rules like that wey you carry dey use, you understand, dey create strong password. One of the rules be say your password gat long, your password gat long. From 8 characters up, the minimums of the 8 characters, understand? Your password suppose long from 8 characters, 9 characters. Na so your password suppose be. E go strong like that. You understand? And the second rule be say you suppose mix your password well. You gats mix am well. Understand? Your password need contain uppercase, lowercase, special character, and then numbers. Wetin I talk? Uppercase, lowercase, special character, and then numbers. Your password suppose contain all these things. Understand? If your password contain all these things, na strong password. Look at this password now wey dey screen now. This first password now, Chinedu 2000. That one, hackers fit easily predict am. But if you still use that same Chinedu 2000, like this, like the second one now, understand now? This second one now, this one strong. Hackers no go fit predict am. Hackers fit predict Chinedu 2000, but to type am, you no go predict, you no go know where the uppercase dey, you no go know where the lowercase dey, you no go know where the special character dey. You understand? So this second one like this, hackers no go smell am, you no go near am because e strong. Another trick wey you fit use be say, you fit choose a sen ten ce wey you no go easily forget. You fit talk say I love beans 247, understand? But the way you go mix that I love beans 247 like wetin you see for screen now, understand? Hackers no go near am. E contain uppercase, lowercase, special character. You no go know where all those things dey. You understand? So if you dey choose your password, e koko be say make your password long. Understand? Secondly, your password need mix am well, make e contain special character, uppercase, lowercase, understand, and emphasize am. The third thing be say make your password be something wey person no go easily predict. Make e no dey like match picture now, picture. Make person no easily predict your password. You understand? If you do all these things now wey I dey tell you, congratulations sef, your password tight. You understand? Na still me, the online police for this awareness month. No go anywhere, I no dey leave you.